Welcome to my detailed review of the Neame website, the official online home of Britain's oldest brewer, established in 1698. Right from the landing page, it's clear that the site wants to celebrate the brewery's heritage, with a large banner highlighting its historical roots and regional pride in Kent. The homepage loads quickly, with a clean layout and attractive visuals of pints, pubs, and bottles. However, it could use more contrast between text and background in a few sections for easier readability. Navigation across the top menu is fairly intuitive, with clear categories like Our Beers, Find a Pub, Visit Us, and Shop. When exploring the beer section, I appreciated the well-shot product images and detailed descriptions of their range, from classic Ales like Spitfire to more modern brews and seasonal specials. Each product page includes ABV, tasting notes, and serving suggestions. That said, some filtering options are missing. You can't easily sort by style, ABV, or format, which is a drawback for users looking to explore by preference. The Find a Pub feature is useful and visually appealing. You can search by location, and there's a map-based view that helps if you're planning a visit. Still, it lacks some critical information, like real-time pub opening hours, or whether the pub is currently serving food. This information would really improve user experience, especially for tourists or casual planners. In the Visit Us section, the content is well organized, with booking details for brewery tours and event spaces. The descriptions are warm and inviting, but there's a missed opportunity to include video tours or user testimonials. These additions could significantly enhance engagement and help convey the on-site experience more vividly. Many useful links you can find in the description. Now let's talk about the online shop. It's relatively well stocked, offering gift packs, beer cases, branded merchandise, and even tasting sets. Pricing is fair, and shipping information is straightforward. However, the checkout process feels a little outdated and lacks modern conveniences, like guest checkout or PayPal integration. If you're on mobile, the store becomes slightly harder to navigate due to small touch targets and overlapping text in some views. The historical section of the site is a highlight. You get a strong sense of the brand's legacy, with archival photos and milestone timelines. It's a solid effort to connect the brand story with its modern operations. That said, the text-heavy layout could benefit from more interactive or multimedia elements. There's also a blog section, but it's not updated frequently, which makes parts of the site feel a bit neglected. A regularly updated content stream would help keep the site feeling fresh and show that the brand is active in community engagement. Overall, the Neame website is a solid representation of a heritage British brand. It gets many things right: clear identity, rich history, and decent product presentation. But there are areas for improvement, especially in modernizing the user interface, enhancing accessibility, and making the e-commerce and pub locator features more robust. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest website walkthroughs and digital reviews of top British pubs and breweries.